Good morning, Perry and Winkle. So, what's the weather report today? Oh, you gotta go check? Are you gonna go outside? It already looks like you got some of Mom's plant on your beak there. You attacking my plants? Guilty as charged. Guilty. Look at that beak. It's right there. There's Mama's flowers. You're not supposed to eat those. Don't do it. Okay, Perry, so it's going to be sunny today? Sunny, okay. Chance of showers? No. Okay, and is it going to be cold? Not cold. Okay, that's great. She's searching for my plants. Look at her. Oh, boys. You're so cute, Winkle.